Brett Adcock, the chief executive officer of Figure AI, recently shared a message that instantly grabbed the attention of the robotics world. After 3 years of quiet development, he revealed what his team has been building behind the scenes. While the company has officially launched its third-generation humanoid robot, the real surprise is the hand. According to Adcock, the team is already working on its seventh-generation robotic hand, pushing closer than ever to matching the capability of a human hand. That detail matters. In humanoid robotics, hands are everything. Walking is impressive, but true usefulness comes from manipulation, from picking up fragile objects to handling tools with precision. Adcock described the engineering as some of the best he has ever seen, hinting at a breakthrough moment for the company. What makes this exciting is the patience behind it. For 3 years, the team refined and redesigned the hand system again and again, chasing dexterity that feels natural rather than mechanical. If Figure AI is truly approaching parity with human-level manipulation, this could mark a major shift in how humanoid robots operate in factories, warehouses, and even homes.